Miko, before you distribute your workbook to anybody else, you really want to make sure that it's easy for someone with disabilities to be able to read and edit. Microsoft actually makes this very straightforward with a feature called the accessibility checker.
Oh, what kind of things does it check for?
Well, there's a whole list of things it's looking for, and they fit into 3 categories. First of all, things that really would be very difficult or impossible for someone to understand or edit. Secondly, things that would be hard. And then lastly, just some tips for things you could do better. So we're going to run the checker and look for all 3. So you'll find the accessibility checker on the Review tab. Go ahead and click Review and then check accessibility. You'll see the accessibility pane over here on the right. The first item you see in the list is hard to read contrast.
What is that?
Let's click on that item and it will give us more information. So this is telling us that it's a contrast issue when the text color and the background color are too similar. It's really hard to read. So we probably should change this. It went ahead and selected the cells for us, so we could actually change it from here. You'll see the suggested colors. But I also want you to see that there's an accessibility tab on the ribbon as well, and we can make changes from there because it'll have more options. Why don't you go ahead and change the font color from the ribbon? Now that issue is gone, the next one says avoid red formatting. Let's go ahead and click on that one to see what it's about. So it gives us some information, but notice you can click on that learning tip link and it actually explains what the problem is. So that lets us know why we need to fix it, and it also helps us remember for future reference. So in this case, the problem is that those negative numbers are identified by color only. The only way you know it's negative is that it's in red, and that's a problem if you couldn't distinguish colors. So we really should use a minus sign or parentheses, not just the color. That's what it's explaining to us here. Again, B7 is selected, so click on Format Cell Number, and it'll open the dialog box so we can go ahead and format the cell number. Why don't you choose one of the other options for negative numbers that isn't just color?
Let's choose the first one.
And you can see that resolves that issue as well. Well done.